Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today we are going to take a quick follow-up look at my January Watchgang Black watch. So the watch I received, if you guys watch my box opening, you know I received this Heritor. This is the Morrison, or for the exact model of the black case like this one is the HERHR7608. So this is part of their Morrison collection. They have a few different color variations and versions of this watch. I actually really like kind of the matte black finish on this one. So these are 43 millimeters stainless steel cases, and I believe this is like a turtle style case. One of my subscribers had said that it reminded them of one of the Seiko turtle back watches. I like that it has the crown position over here at 4 o'clock, and I do like the magnified date window. So this one does have super Luminova on the hands and the markers, and it has a sapphire coated crystal, so it's not a full sapphire crystal. It is an automatic movement, and as you can see, it is running a Seiko NH35A 24 jewel movement. Movement seems to be pretty much a workhorse. As you can see, Heritor has their logo on the weight there. The NH35A beats at 21,600 beats per hour and has about a 40-hour power reserve. It's not a super smooth sweeping hand, but it is a really good workhorse. A lot of my watches in this price range have that movement, and actually I think this movement is a better choice than some of the other ones that I've seen in some of the Heritor watches. This one is on a nice thick leather strap. I actually really like the look of it. It also has a signed buckle. Not a super impressive box by any means that this one came in, but overall not bad. I really like this one for my $99 subscription for Watchgang. I'm going to pause the video really quick. We'll go dark and see what this Loom looks like. Alright guys, and as you can see, the Loom on this one is actually really solid, considering this just came from under my video lights right now. I haven't even really hit it with the black light or anything, but that super Luminova on this one is really solid. Let's hit it with the black light real quick. See if we can get it very much brighter. Alright. Not too bad. I actually really like the look of that one in the dark. Alright, we are back in the light. One more thing I did want to point out to you guys on this NH35 movement. It can be manually wound, and it is a hackable movement, so if you pull the crown all the way out, that second handle stop, so you can get more accurate time setting. This one does not have a screw down crown, so the water resistance on it is about 100 meters, which isn't horrible. I've seen worse, but a lot of watches I just don't get more wet than briefly getting your, when you're washing your hands or something. In any leather strap watch, I feel really weird about the water resistance rating, because I'm just not going to get the leather strap wet. Let's take a quick look at it on wrist. Oops. As I fumble around. Alright, I do like that strap though. It's kind of a suede feel on that strap. I think this one looks really good on wrist. I really like the design. I think for my $99 subscription, Watchgang did really well on this one. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Now, guys, I've been saying that I'm going to do a giveaway for quite a while, and I'm not sure how fast somebody will get this. It could be super easy, it might be super hard, and it's not going to be the only giveaway I do, I think. But this one was more of an appreciation for you guys sticking with me. I actually made 100 videos. This is over 100 now, but that's why we're going to do a giveaway. So, a quick look. This is my Air Blue Charlie World Timer. Now, this was another Watchgang black watch I received. I'm not sure it's my favorite one, but I do really like this watch, and it gets a lot of wear. So this watch has appeared in 4 videos, guys. 4 videos. First person in the comments below to tell me what 4 videos those are, I will sign up for a month of Watchgang Black, which is the $99 subscription. So you must be a subscriber so I can reach out to you and actually get your info to set that up. So stop this video and figure out which 4 this watch appears in. Put them in the comments below. The first one, I am going to sign up for Watchgang Black. Alright guys, happy hunting.